Welcome back, friends. Today's topic is on using the COUNTIFS function in Excel. COUNTIFS function in Excel is used for conditional counting when we have more than one condition. In previous video, we learned the COUNTIF, which was for single condition. So, if you have not watched that video, I recommend you to watch that first for better understanding. Video link is given in description section. In this Excel sheet, I have the data of customer name, sales revenue, and number of billed months in a year. Requirement here is to count how many customers has sales revenue more than 100,000 and are billed for more than 5 months. In this case, we have multiple conditions for counting. Let's start writing the formula. Press equals, type COUNTIFS, open parentheses. In the criteria range 1, put the range of source data, which has the first condition. Here, first condition is the sales revenue greater than 100,000, so select the revenue range of source data. Put a comma. In the criteria 1, put the first criteria that is greater than 100,000. So, put here, double quotes, greater than 100,000, double quotes. Put a comma. In the criteria range 2, select the second criteria range in the source data, which is number of months billed. Put a comma. In the criteria 2, put the second criteria, that is greater than 5. So, put here double quotes, greater than 5, double quotes. Close parentheses and hit enter. Result is given as 4, because there are 4 customers who meets both of the condition. If you have more than 2 condition, you can expand the formula by continuing with third criteria range, third criteria, and so on. So, that was all about how to use COUNTIFS function in Excel. If you are new here, consider subscribing the channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.